Hello guys, welcome to the channel. How are you today? I wasn't gonna make a video about it, but something happened this morning when I was feeding. It's just part of homesteading. So I was feeding this morning, and usually I do the week, and my son does weekends. So here I am thinking he's checking the oil on the riding lawnmower, and I'm driving. I hear a pop, and I hear a weird sound coming out of the engine. I didn't think about it. I stopped, turned off the machine, and when I went to start, it wouldn't start. Sounded like it was missing spark. So I took out the cable. Everything's fine. Put it back. Try again. Nothing. So I finally got closer to the engine, and I hear compression coming out down from under. I see the grass moving. So let me show you real quick what's going on. So when I turn it, let me see. It's gonna get loud, guys. Look at the bottom. Oh, I got the brakes on. Hold on. Look at that. So when I do research, right under the manifold here, the exhaust pipe, there's a little hole. I mean, where? So a brand new motor, we're looking at $2,500, guys.
Okay.
Your gloves are somewhere in there.
Nothing but... Okay. I am now to the point of just
Oh, here are your gloves.
eating this motor out.
Well, hold on, I need gloves.
Use mine. I don't need gloves for this. Let me just move all that.
Please pull it close over before you go.
Once we get this motor moved, I'll put everything out. And then,
What cables did you find that were bad that you're talking about?
well, I was gonna refix the lights. And
Okay, no, I'm not worried about the lights. I'm worried about
and then
the all pressure switch that you said.
I was gonna go ahead and redo all these lights here, because here is the wire for the oil pressure sensor.
What happened to that? What didn't come off? It didn't come off.
I think this is bad.
Yeah,
I think
but it
I
should have.
think either that or that's bad.
Because that should have
But
shut the engine off.
No, there's only a light for it. There's no. It runs from over here straight to this harness, and it runs. So I need to drill out a hole and put a new LED.
Well, I was ordering. I was ordering new.
You know how much that costs?
No, an aftermarket hour meter.
Oh,
For
this aftermarket then yes, but the OEM is like
no, I ordered aftermarket OEM
Alright.
with the new.
grab that side.
Hold on. Let me know. 1, 2,
2, 3. Oop. Oh shoot, that's okay. How do I unplug you? Where does that harness go to? Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What?
That has to come off. These little buggers. Because I have to take this shielding off, which means
Okay, let's do this. For now. Just
I
we'll,
don't.
we'll
Spice it back
yeah,
in.
splash it back in.
You sure about that?
Yep. I get one of the ones that,
I have some solder and stuff at work. So
alright,
it's
so
fine.
let's put it there and then you can take it away once it's there. How about that?
1, 2,
It'll be easier.
I said just leave it here. I don't know
Yeah,
what I'm gonna need for the old one to the new one. I took out the starter thinking I was gonna need it,
Yeah, take it out, that's fine.
but I don't know what else we're gonna.
While we're at it,
Think about.
Don't go any.
Come on.
I know. While we're at it, I need to order
Come on.
that.
I don't like how it's not.
I want some company.
No, it has a pump, Alex.
Will you come with me?
It does it with the vacuum.
Will you come with me?
So we'll get that.
I want some company.
Check the brakes.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because I want to redo this and eliminate this.
Check the brakes. We're gonna have to move this out of here to clean up this. Since we're working now, let's make it,
Come on, Pete.
okay?
How much further down you want me to break it down?
That's it.
Come on. Yeah, girl.
I just need you to check the brakes if you can check them.
We should probably take that to that starter fixer place.
Stop it.
I don't know how to do that. If you want to check it. So let's clean this.
Yeah, it
I'll
was a
get the
pain.
greaser.
It was a pain to get it up here. I had to use the ratchet strap as a
Will the engine degreaser work here?
probably.
Probably much stronger than the one we have.
Mm-hmm. But she was leaking around that oil filter.
Did you see the hole?
No, not yet.
Which one is the one on this side? Somewhere in here, because you can feel it. Take the shield. And it'll probably
Oh!
What?
Look right below the exhaust there. Do you see the crack?
Oh, it cracked. Yep.
It cracked.
Anyway, I thought it was going to crack. I feel it. These things, actually no, because this one is, wait. Then it goes like this, right?
Yes, that's the front of the motor right there.
Okay, so this one is bad anyways. But I think if we're not going to fix it,
Well, we have to see how bad, because with that being cracked, with this being cracked, that's a whole other deal. That means we can't fix
I
it.
know you're right, because I need a new
Because
block.
that's the head itself.
Yeah. I thought it was, oh
It's
yeah.
one solid piece, it's not a two-piece.
No, this, yeah, but we can probably get this to, if we can get the right number in this, we can figure out. Because I know this bottom one is like $100.
If not, we can keep rebuilding and keep it as a backup motor.
Yep. We'll sell it to pay off for the $700. Alright. I'm going to load up the trailer. So we'll, and
You want to see what I did back there?
need to load up the